Okay.
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 You can sit down.
Right.
He's gonna defend himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fortress.
Want me to sit anywhere over here, okay?
Yeah, over there's okay. Okay. You see, I travel the world, I take lots of different photos, and I'm gonna show you. See my photos? I'm gonna deal the photos down, you can tell me when to stop. And I'm gonna make a prediction. Okay, ready? Stop. Okay, he stopped over here. He chose a photo of me on the mountain with the sun. He could have chose me in the water, or he could have chose me over here in the water, but he chose me standing on the mountain in the sun. My prediction.
Me?
Yeah. Find smiles inside. Let me show you.
Wow.
Now I have more photos of me.
No way.
Why am I surprised?
You can choose any photo.
Of me?
Yeah.
Okay, show everybody, don't show me. Okay?
By George, it's Calvin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, put it on top.
Is that January 6th?
Hey, that's pretty cool.
You see, I have all the various photos of me. You see. A pineapple one, all kinds of photos. Look, I'll spread it all out and let me find. Oh, me in Washington, D.C. Oh, good. Let me do another one. I'll let you choose any one and don't show. You can show everybody again. Choose any one. Okay. And make your face down.
Wait,
Don't
wait,
show
wait.
me. Hold on. You show everybody. Show the camera too.
Got it.
Okay. Don't show me. I have the stacks of different photos of me. I'm just gonna make 1, 2, 3 stacks. You can choose 1, 2, or 3. He's yawning already.
2.
Okay, 2. Put it on top. Okay. Now we're gonna flip this stack over, and you're gonna choose 1 or 3.
Is it over?
Okay, and then you can choose this one or this one.
This one?
Okay, we're gonna put this on top,
Oh, okay.
and we're gonna put this on top. Okay. We're gonna cut it in half. Cut it in half.
Okay.
Okay.
And complete it up?
No.
No.
We're gonna riffle shuffle it. Do you want to riffle shuffle, or do you want me to riffle shuffle?
You can riffle shuffle.
Okay, I can riffle shuffle. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this stack, and I'm gonna grab this stack. Make it straight. I'm gonna riffle shuffle.
Yeah.
I think you need it on stiffer paper.
Okay,
Not bad.
push it in. You know, I got photos flip up, flip down, all mixed up. Flip up,
Oh, Calvin.
flip down, yeah, all me. See?
Yeah.
Some performing, some in the classroom, some in Japan performing magic. See? All kinds of photos of me. But you know what?
No.
Take this photo, show everybody, and show the camera. That's the same photo.
Son of a gun.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay. And I spelled on the sand a word. What word did I spell?
Magic.
Hey,
Yeah.
here, show everybody.
Alright.
You can hand it around.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna show you another one. One magic wand.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna show you my Superman shirt.
Oh, right. That's his. Okay. Alright, we got
Okay.
Oh, Calvin.
Oh, me.
Okay.
Yes, all
I'll
bunch
put on
of
a blindfold.
But I can still see you.
I'll put on a
It's
blindfold.
awkward.
Harvey, point to a destination, a photo, a rock photo. Anyone.
A rock photo?
Yeah, a scenery, a rock photo.
Okay.
You found one?
Yeah.
Okay, move left or right to the nearest magician.
There's magician.
He's adjusting his glasses.
It's all Calvin.
Oh, it's, yeah.
They're all magicians.
yeah.
Okay, move up.
Wait. There's one here too.
We're not supposed to chat with Okay.
Me performing, magic performing.
That's not performing. That's not
One is either up
Okay,
or
that's just a
diagonal.
whole. Do you mix
Okay.
yourself up when you?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, move up or down to the nearest rock scenery.
Okay.
Okay, move diagonally to the nearest magician of me performing.
Okay.
Okay,
Bingo.
move left or right to the nearest rock scenery.
You gotta open your shirt more.
Rock.
Rock scenery.
More.
Left or right?
Turn to your right, Calvin.
Huh?
Turn more so you can see.
So you
what
can,
time it is.
there you go. Oh.
Oh, okay. Did you see?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make a prediction. I'm gonna take off my blindfold. I'm gonna show you the prediction. My prediction is on this gray cloth that I have over here. Okay, he's pointing at this photo here. My prediction, I had it in this gray cloth. I'll show you my prediction. Do you see my prediction in this gray cloth?
No.
Nope.
No?
Nope, not
You
yet.
sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Is it stop?
My prediction.
Wow.
Alright.
One more.
Oh, there's more. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, I have
K-A-L.
Oh, yeah, there's.
I have some photos of me. And remember the me on the mountain? I have that on the back with the sun. See? Watch. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I also have 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see, they all have the same backing.
Oh.
You see? But watch this. It's just like a photo scanner. And this one, watch, like a photo scanner. And
Oh, together. Yeah.
And then this one, watch.
Cute.
And then this, I put these two together. Watch.
Wow.
And then this one. Oh, speaking of shirt, I have another one. On the back,
There's more.
on the back, here, hold this one.
Great.
I have photos of me,
No.
really, flying a kite or a rock scenery. Okay, choose a rock scenery, any rock scenery.